Welcome to Breaking Free. Off grid. I feel like I'm part of the Blair Witch Project. Woohoo!
You are part of the Blair Witch Project.
We're doing a... It's funny. I'm doing a cabin update for you guys. And I'm actually laying on our bed in the loft. It's dark up here. For the camera anyway. Let me show you around a little bit. And then we'll get Rinker to climb up here. You can see what he does when he comes up here at night. It's funny. Alright. This is our view. Very close quarters. There's the top of the ladder right there. And Buddy has actually learned how to climb up the ladder, and he comes up here so he can sleep on the bed. He's so funny. We gotta try to catch him climbing up the ladder one day. You can see how small it is up here. Not a lot of room. There's the back wall. We're kind of thankful that we haven't insulated that yet, so it doesn't get too hot up here. I think we should bring Rinker up here so you can see what he does. This is what he does every night. Rinker!
What?
Come up here.
You come up here.
I'm already up here.
What do you want?
Come here. Come say hi to everybody.
You want to go up too, huh, Goose? What do you want?
Come on up here.
Oh, for Pete's sakes. Are you serious?
Tell everybody whose idea this was.
Oh,
It'd be no problem sleeping in the loft.
Loud. It was the cat's idea.
I'm trying not to shine this on your eyes, but...
It was the cat's idea to sleep in the loft. Look
No.
at him. He likes it.
Well, yeah, Buddy likes it up here.
Hi, Goose. Oh, for Pete's sakes.
This is what...
I'm a dumbass, all right?
This is what he does every night.
Crying out loud. This is dumb. Don't sleep in your loft with these stupid things. You can't even sit up. You're going to bump your head.
Okay, climb back down.
Oh, for Pete's sakes. Are you serious?
Or here, you videotape me and I'll climb down.
Oh.
You can stay up here the rest of the day.
Hell no. Oh, Pete's sakes.
Yeah, when you got to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, it really sucks. This is how you got to get out. You can't just climb out of bed and stand up and walk out of the room. The camera?
Yeah.
Sleeping in the loft is the worst decision I ever made. Okay, second worst decision. First worst decision was not having a CO detector. Okay.
Okay, on with the tour.
Yeah.
All right, let's start in the mudroom. Show you what Stuart's done so far. It's kind of messy in here. I know he is going to be coming in here and probably organizing stuff.
Oh, that's a hint.
Hint, hint. So he's got 4 batteries set up. He's got his electrical components all set up.
Solar components.
Solar components. The only thing he has left to do is the panels, to set up the panels, which we'll probably do after winter.
And fix my spaghetti mess of wiring.
Fix and the grounding rods. Yeah. Right? Put the grounding rods in. All right. This is our wonderful living room.
Living room?
Living room, dining room, Goose's bed.
Kitchen.
Let's do the kitchen first. So this is the countertop that we had up in the scary cabin. And Stuart was going to make just some temporary supports for it, or legs, until we got actual under counter cabinets. Base cabinets, thank you. Base cabinets. But when he started putting it together, it turned out really nice, and it's a little bit taller than normal height, which is perfect for me. Not so sure about Stretch over there.
That's okay.
He could probably use a taller one, but that's okay. And then we had a couple of these metal shelves that you just buy at Home Depot and put together, and we put them underneath there, and oh god, hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. Put them underneath there, and we're thinking we might just leave it like that. Maybe make some barn sliding doors on it, or some kind of curtains. Once we can close up the walls, we have to change out the insulation first to a good Roxul insulation. Then I'll have more shelving in here, and I can take some of the stuff that's underneath and put it in better areas, organize it more. But this is what we've got so far. And it's working out pretty good, except for all the dust in here. Oh my God. Alright, the cook stove. This area here, next to the stove, to the corner, we were thinking of another countertop, but now I'm tossing around the idea of maybe some kind of possible shelving system from the floor up to the ceiling. Might be actually kind of cool. So we're thinking about that. Refrigerator, the thing that almost killed us.
The death machine.
The death machine. This is my sink area, and of course the table is temporary. The sink, where's the, yeah. Okay, so the sink is going to be right here in this area, and then we'll have regular countertop. So we can get rid of the table, and it'll actually be a little bit, make this area a little bit wider in here for us to both walk around. We've got our string of canning rings. Every homestead needs a string of canning rings. Alright, so one thing we didn't think about when we thought sleeping in the loft was a good idea was where are we going to put our clothes. I thought it wouldn't be bad to have them up in the loft, like in some kind of crates, or organize them that way, but you really don't have room up there, as you saw, to be scrounging through crates for your clothes. So for now, until we get everything finished, Stuart put up this rod here, and we've got our clothes hanging up here, and then we've got another shelf from Lowe's Depot right there, and we've got our jeans and stuff on. The shower has become a storage place. We've got the laundry basket in there, toilet paper. It is what it is. We're making do. It'll get better. This area right here is actually coming along really well. You guys saw the video of Stuart doing the restoration on the wood stove, and you saw the tile, and he did the tin on the back wall. He finished that up on Friday. And yes, there is cement board behind it. He's not quite happy with how he spaced the metal from the cement board, and he's probably going to end up redoing that, but for now it's working. It gets warm, not even too warm for the touch. It just barely gets warm. It doesn't get hot. So that's pretty cool. We've actually had to use the stove, God, what, like the past 4 or 5 mornings we've had to stoke it up because it's kind of cold in here. Like 3 mornings in a row?
Yeah.
But other than that, it's staying really warm in here, and that's even without the insulation that we want. Once we switch out this insulation, it's going to be even better. And then, last but not least, is my beautiful farmhouse table that Stuart made for me in Nevada that I had to bring with me. It's my work desk, our kitchen table, our entertainment center. We actually have electricity now. I guess I didn't mention that when I showed you the mudroom, but we charge the batteries with the generator. And we have lights. How awesome is that? Real lights. It's way cool. And we're able to watch TV now. It's so funny. We've been watching Netflix and YouTube on a notebook with like a 2-inch screen, 3-inch screen.
2-inch screen. That's smaller than our phones.
Oh, what size is that
It's
screen?
like a 7-inch screen.
Oh, okay. 7-inch screen, and we have this 32-inch TV that we brought from Nevada, and it's like having a big screen. Love that we have the kitchen table. The problem is we're not very happy about sleeping up there, so we need a solution to get us out from the loft, and that'll just become our storage. So we have some really cool ideas.
Ooh.
We can't tell them exactly what it
Pick
is.
me.
Young man in the front.
I have a solution.
Lights on you.
Thanks to some friends of ours, their idea was a Murphy bed, but we just expanded on it, and it's going to be... Can't tell you. You have to wait.
We can't tell you what we have planned on doing, but it's going to be so cool. I'm very, very excited about it. It's going to provide us with sleeping down here, a sitting area, and storage. So we'll let you use your imagination. The table, can't tell you what we're going to do with it. The most that I'm going to tell you right now, and it took Stuart a lot of talking to me to agree to doing this. It's going to involve...
I get to destroy it. I get to destroy the table.
He's not going to really destroy it.
Oh, okay, deconstruct.
He's going to cut it up.
Yeah, firewood.
No, it's going to be repurposed for something useful in here, but we can't tell you what it is because, again, it's going to be super cool. All right. Sorry about the mess. Believe it or not, I actually cleaned in here yesterday. You can't tell. Until next time, please like, subscribe, comment. Tell Stuart to say hi or bye. Thumbs up. Bye, everybody.